Hey there, this is Shane Kaufman with Aquarius Supply, broadcasting from my bunker in Culpeper, Virginia. Just wanted to send out a quick video and go over some of the resources that we put together for you, our contractor, our customer. Um, First of all, please follow us on our Facebook and LinkedIn account where we are continually updating in regards to the COVID-19 pandemic and what we're doing. Um, One of the nice things that you can do is do a video chat similar to what I'm doing now. This one is done through Screencast-O-Matic, but there's several ones of them out there that you can also do. But this will allow you to do a short video, get in front of your customer without coming in contact with them. You can even walk the yard, look at plants, look at the turf, and show them what you're looking at and do a proposal based on what you're seeing out there. There's a three-part series. There's a link down here that can give you some ideas of how to do that. Get paid faster with Venmo. There's a link here to take you to that, and it keeps the cash flow coming in. Also, there's a letter that was put together where you can put your company's logo on there, and it's basically just explaining to your customers, the homeowner, what you are doing to stay within the CDC guidelines and keeping your people safe, and allowing them to be on the property. Wi-Fi controllers is another good one. This way you can control their system without having to be in contact with them. And maybe when this is all said and done, there's some upselling potential there for a program where you can go around and upgrade current controllers to allow for Wi-Fi. We have an online training portal. There's a link here that you can see what courses we're offering. A lot of them even offer CEUs. If you have any guys that have some downtime, this is a good opportunity for you to send them there and allow them to take some training courses. And lastly, we have a resource for some hand sanitizer up in our PA market. We can go pick that up. You work directly with them as far as payment. We go and pick it up and send it down on the transfer truck, and you can outfit your guys with each truck with a jug of this and make sure that your guys are being safe. And again, we are here to help you, the contractor. We're trying to do everything that we can to be safe. We want you guys to be safe as well. And if there's anything we can do, please reach out. Thank you. Have a great day.